Namaste bachcho. Showing namaste from your hand will be more than enough. You don't have to unmute yourself. Namaste, can I see a beautiful namaste? इसमें शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए. When you are doing namaste, you should not feel shy or ashamed of. It's our Indian culture, isn't it? Namaste to all. Okay. So can we take the position? First position. Okay, please stand.
लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
See children, here I want to open your eyes. Just relax yourself right now. Okay. Here I want to specify one thing. As I am giving you instructions, as you can hear the bell sound, each and everything is we are going systematically. So you don't have to see whether, what is going to be the next. Now you know the sequence. The moment I say the position, we are standing on we are taking this namaskar position and we are standing with our joint feet. That's it. I don't have to say it again and again. We are just standing in the position. We will wait for the next instruction. Is that clear? So in between, nobody will come and see and won't be adjusting any sort of camera or just sitting on the bed. No, nothing should be done like that. It's only you. You need to be very calm in a nice position. You have to stand or sit according to the instruction. Then first beat, you have to leave. Right now, just relax, everyone. Just relax. Right now, relax. ID with 62556. Just relax. Leave the hand. And then first beat you have to leave. Second beat we are crossing our leg. In fact, I'm also saying along with that. Third beat, sit down. I'm saying that, so slowly you have to sit down. We are leaving one beat after sitting. Why? Because I can see many of the children are not able to sit immediately, and even because of the net issues, we can see, one after one. So we will be leaving one beat. So I will be leaving one beat, and then close your eyes. When I say, immediately you have to close your eyes and sit. And after that, you have to wait for the music or the instruction. Till I say open your eyes, please do not open your eyes. Okay? आप जब साथ में बैठे हैं बात अलग होती है, ऑनलाइन सेशंस की बात अलग है. So these all thing actually increases the alertness. कितना ध्यान है आपका यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So भूल जाओ. Right now just forget all the things. Concentrate here. ठीक है? Done? So when I say close your eyes, ध्यान दीजिएगा. You have to close your eyes very calmly. Then don't see like this. क्या हो रहा है, कोई और कर रहा है, नहीं कर रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, कुछ देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to listen to me. Is that clear? उसके बाद you have to wait. We will be leaving one more beat, and then after seeing everything is fine, then I will say open your eyes. Still you have to keep your hand like this. When I say meditation pose, then slowly you will take into the meditation pose. So for everything there will be a beat, For every instruction, I will be saying it and you can stay there for that position. Done? ओके सो एक बार शुरू से कर लें क्योंकि छोटी 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 गलतियां हो गई थी. ठीक है, आप जितने सुंदर हो तो सुंदर सा काम भी वापस आए, है ना? द वे यू पीपल आर सो ब्यूटिफुल, लेट द वर्क ऑल्सो कम ब्यूटिफुली. डन? ओके, गेट अप, फास्ट गेट अप. वी विल रिवाइज इट वन मोर टाइम. शाबाश, वेरी गुड. Position, please. थोड़ा सा टाइम देना पड़ेगा. वाई? बिकॉज नेट इशू की वजह से म्यूजिक ऑन करने में शायद थोड़ी सी देर आ सकती है. सो यू हैव टू गिव मी सम, बट यू विल बी रिमेनिंग लाइक दिस. अमरजीत बेटा, पोजिशन. हाँ, ऐसे सुंदर लगते हो देखने में. ऐसे हाथ लूज नहीं छोड़ना. ठीक है, 1 मिनट. First beat we are leaving. Cross your legs. Sit down. Close your eyes. Amarjeet beta, sit down. Hands joined and close your eyes. Hands are joined. Saloni, hands are joined beta. Parthik, sit down. Okay, close your eyes. Eyes should be remaining closed.
लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Eyes should be remained closed. You have to wait for my instruction. Open your eyes. Open your eyes, everyone. Hands should be remain joined. Meditation pose. Meditation pose. Relax. Sanjana beta, meditation pose. Meditation pose, every. Okay. Again, close. Everyone, again, close your eyes. Now we will be doing exercise, normal breathing exercise. You will be inhaling, exhaling normally. Don't have to raise your how much long you can inhale, little bit hold, exhale also. So we will be doing this that you can concentrate on yourself. You can at least inhaling is going and exhaling is going. Okay? Everyone, close your eyes. Follow the instructions while we are meditating. I can't close my eyes because I have to switch on the music. So, okay. Now try to be within yourself. Inhale and exhale. As long as you can stretch that inhaling, hold, and exhale. While doing that, make sure you give a proper interval for inhaling and exhaling. Don't force yourself too much. Let it be a normal inhaling and exhaling. Once better, start doing along with inhaling and exhaling. Try to meditate. No, normal inhaling, exhaling. Gauri Amarjeet, normal one. It is not this one. Normal. We are just keeping our hands. This is a normal breathing when you are actually inhaling. Chest expand. When you are exhaling, actually you can feel that the more you exhale, you leave the air, the stomach goes inside. So normal. Just try to inhale as much as you can, and you can feel that. And when you exhale, the stomach goes inside. Try to meditate, concentrate on the music and the instructions which are coming one after other. Here, I want you to concentrate on yourself. Taking all the energy inside you with the breathing. Having all the positive energy inside you. Yes, you are a good human being. Lots of good work you can do because you are the best. Make sure your eyes are closed. Concentrating on the music and my instructions. We will meditate for a minute, peacefully listening to this music, collecting all the positive energy inside you. Breathe normally, inhale and exhale. Vanshvita, eyes should be closed. remain seated like that. Eyes should not be open now. Eyes remain closed. We will instruct you when to open your eyes, okay? So eyes remain closed. Now open your eyes. Next position, Anulom Vilom breathing exercise. So don't do it like this. Don't do it. Normal. See, you don't have to exaggerate or you don't have to take too much of strain. Nothing. That should be near your nose. And let's start by pressing the right nose with your thumb. Exhale. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. With every bell, kindly inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last. Exhale. Meditation pose. Back to meditation pose. Rastika position. Everyone, please take position. Meditation pose. Okay. Um, okay. Few more points you need to understand here. One thing, as I said, when we are inhaling, you can feel that the chest is expanding, Okay, and when we are exhaling, you can feel that, stomach is squeezing. So as long you are exhaling, you can feel that, stomach goes inside. So that's how the normal breathing has to be done. You can open your eyes, just be relaxed, open your eyes. Okay, am I audible? Are you getting my instructions immediately?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why? Because few of the few children are like responding little late. So I thought might be my instructions are going little late. So whatever beat we are doing, I will be saying the instructions accordingly. You can hear, and then you can stand, you can sit, and the meditation pose. Close your eyes. When I say you have to close your eyes, you have to wait for my instruction. When I say open your eyes, then only you should open. You should not do like this, like, coming and then doing like. Don't do, because all these things are now visible, very nicely visible online. Okay, in the classroom, this is all ये सब चलता है, but online ये कुछ नहीं चलता है, सब दिखता है. ठीक है? Is that clear? So, and Isha beta, when we are doing the last asana for breathing, you don't have to sit Vajrasan. Did I say yesterday to sit on Vajrasan? Sorry,
Yes,
then.
ma'am. Yes.
Vajrasan में बोला था?
Ma'am, in first class.
In the first class.
Yes, ma'am, in first class.
Okay, okay. In that case, we will do one thing. After doing Anulom and Vilom, I will give you the beat. We will change the position into Vajrasan. Okay, and then in Vajrasan, we will do that. Bastriga, we will do that particular asana in Vajrasan. Okay, so there is a slight change in that. And after that, when I say meditation pose, then again we will cross our legs and we will sit in meditation pose. When I say meditation pose, that time you can open your eyes. When I say close your eyes, then only close your eyes. Because when we are doing a meditation or when we are doing the breathing exercise, you can close your eyes. But when we are changing the position, you have to open your eyes and come to the next position. Clear? Okay. Without any interruption, can we do everything together? Now, I won't be doing it. I will be only saying the things without any mistake. Can we just have a run through of this particular episode, the whole thing? Can we? Okay. Then, in that case, please take the position, first position. इसमें में डाउनलोड कर दिया मैसेज में नहीं नहीं खत्म हुआ बेटा कब करूँगा आगे 1 मिनट रेडी Sorry, where did that go? One minute, huh? Just 1 second. Where did that go? Just 1 second, Liz. Let me. I by mistake I. Yeah. Yes, I got it. Okay, position please. No, beta. Zoom हो रहा है? नहीं, it is हो रहा है? एक मिनट बेटा. I'm sorry, there is some net issues. Getting very slow. Okay. Position. Cross your legs. Sit down. Close your eyes. Amarjeet beta, sit down. Close your eyes. Amarjeet beta, please sit down. Eyes should be remained closed.
लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Eyes should be remained closed. Open your eyes. Meditation pose. Close your eyes. Now simple breathing position. Along with that, we will be meditating. So eyes should remain closed. Back straight. Make sure you sit properly. Relax yourself. As I said, eyes should be remain closed. We need to see ourselves, collect all the positive energy around us. Normal inhaling and exhaling. Now, Devita, please sit properly. No leaning on the wall. Slowly inhale, exhale. expansion technique. Put air goes to the air brain also. Completely you are relaxed. Inhale. Now open your eyes. Next position, Anulom Vilom. You have to do it right. Keep plumb. Don't just sit like this. Okay, just position. Acha, don't keep below your elbow. Nothing. It should not be like this. It's normal. See. Now inhale from your left. Right. Now inhale from your right. One, Shweta, do not touch your mobile every time. Just concentrate on your breath. You don't have to see. You don't have to adjust your camera. You don't have to move your camera. If you're doing this, this has to be, completely you have to concentrate on your breathing. You can't do. Make sure you are concentrating from inhaling, exhaling. Exhaling. Please don't do anything like this. It's a normal, very normal thing. Make sure, even if your camera is down, no problem. You see front. Meditation pose. Meditation pose. Everyone, meditation pose. Okay, Bastrika. When we are doing this, okay, I just forgot to tell you that. Open. Okay. Meditation pose. 5 times we will be doing that. Meditation pose. Okay. Here, we did not change into Vajrasan. Did we? No. We did not change. So can we just do the last part? In the sense, from this meditation pose, let's have one more beat for Vajrasan. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Meditation pose was there? No. Now, change the position into Vajrasana. 2-3 bell, let it go, no problem. When everyone is set, then I open your palm. Last. Meditation pose. Come back to Sukhasana. Come back to Sukhasana. अमर जी, बेटा लास्ट वाला जो एक्सरसाइज है हम लोग वज्र अमरजीत बेटा लास्ट वाला हम लोग वज्रासन में करेंगे, सुखासन में नहीं, ठीक है? Okay. Till here everything is clear? Okay. So almost sitting exercise का सेट हो गया है. Tomorrow we might do the standing. एक सिंपल सा एक एक्सरसाइज हम लोग स्टैंडिंग का भी लेंगे, so that also will get over. ये प्लीज प्रैक्टिस करेंगे सब लोग.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do it. Why? Because it is a normal breathing exercise. आप you all जो भी tensions हैं वो सब इसके through निकल जाएंगे. You know why? Because when you concentrate on your body, when you become friend with your body gives you more help to deal with all kind of pressures whatever we have. चाहे वो स्टडीज का हो, बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, वो सब we can deal very nicely when actually you concentrate on yourself. You get more ideas. ठीक है?